doing the Love Yourself World Tour mini photo card merchandise. So this is how it looks like. I took it out of the plastic wrapping already. So when I got to the merch line, everything was pretty much sold out. So I saw that these mini photo cards were still available. So I was like, okay, the limit was 3. I couldn't get anything else. They were $10 each. So I was like, I'm just gonna get 3. And I literally thought that they're gonna be like, you know, the same cards inside. But my friend also bought 3, and I just went back in line and bought my other friend 3 as well. When she went to the Wednesday Staples Center show, it sold out. So I went to the Saturday one. They still have them, so I bought it for my friend. My friends opened theirs up after the concert, and they're actually all different. And I was like, oh my god, I should have bought more. Yeah, so let's get started. So this is how it looks like. It has the heart on the cover. I don't know if you guys see it right there. And then it's the red beige coloring with BTS World Tour mini photo cards and such. So I was gonna get these out, but I got it too, but I didn't know they were different. So oh my god. I kind of seen some of these. I might see some that my friends got, but let's just hope I get different ones. So RL. Oh, you look so good. Oh, can you guys see? Okay, this is RL. Okay. Sugar. I'm gonna put these away so you guys can line it. Sugar. You see Sugar? Guys, look looking. Sugar! Oh my gosh. They look like total boyfriend material. Like, oh my god. J-Hope. Oh my god. Can you guys see? Sorry, I don't know if I'm filming. Oh my god, look at Jimmy. He would have the flowers. Oh my god, he's so cute. V is my bias, and so is Jin. And then R is my bias record. So fucking Jungkook. Oh my god. You know Jungkook after Fake Love? He's like total package, man. Oh wait, no, I knew there's gonna be like a group photo shot, so I got Jungkook and RM. So cute. Okay, so this is the first set. Let me put it away, and let me open up the second one. Okay. Second one. Same thing again, same design. At first I didn't really like the red and the beige color, but it grew on me. I actually think it looks really nice. So, let me put that there. Oh, it's RM again first. Okay, maybe they have it in that order. Oh yeah, they put it like the fan chat order. Okay, so he looks a little bit different. Oh, wait, maybe I should line them up. Okay, so RM, put them on. Oh, so good looking. Like, his wink is like to die for it, guys. Let's be honest. Who are we kidding? Okay. Oh my gosh, Suga has a flower this time. Why didn't I spread these out? Okay. Oh, wait. How come Jin's the same in both of them? I think I ripped off now. How come Jin didn't get a different photo? Aw. What? Okay, and then this J-Hope with a flower. Of course, it would be sunflowers. Sorry there's a lot of background noise, guys. I'm filming beside the window and the buses pass us by. Oh my god, I freaking love J-Hope. In the concert, he was totally, like, the best, like, one of the best performers ever. Why is Jimmy not smiling? I'm always so used to him smiling. You know what? Jimmy had that face throughout the concert. I think it looks really good. Like, he's so sexy. Maybe that's why he keeps doing it. Like, girls, like, fall for that look. Like, he looks so good in this era right now. Like, that's his flower. He's so good looking. Why? Why are you so handsome? This is the first one. Oh my god. Jungkook! He is gorgeous. Puberty hit them like a truck. Like, they went from, like, kind of a little bit awkward, if I'm gonna be honest, to like total package. Oh my god, please stop taking. Can you focus on Jungkook? Okay, maybe I have to put these away because they're not focusing on Jungkook. Okay, sorry guys. Focus on Jungkook. Right there. Okay, cool. And then the previous one. Hey, I got them again! I mean, I don't mind, but how come I got that? Oh, so good looking. So cute. Okay. Now they're all messed up now. I don't know what is what. Okay, third one. Third one. RM has the flower now. Like, I've been obsessed with RM. Suga. I like it when he does this. Like, Suga has a really nice face. I don't think he knows how good looking he is. But hopefully he does. Oh, Jin is so good looking. Like, who doesn't want this man? J-Hope! He's so good looking. Guys, you guys need to see J-Hope perform. Like, if any of them, you need to see him perform once in your life. Okay, keep that in mind. Hey, Jimmy! Jimmy with the flowers again. I wonder how many versions they have then. Oh, he's so kind. Like, see with the flowers. Hey, are those the flowers from Singularity? Sorry, Jimmy. Can we just focus on V for now? Okay. He's so good looking. I'm glad I got one of him smiling because I like it when he smiles. Hey, wait, isn't this the same thing? I got 2 of the same Jungkook. I mean, I don't mind, but I wonder how they like shuffle these cards. I got the 95 line. Okay, I got V and Jimmy. Oh, so cute. But yeah, that was it. But I have 8 times 8, 24 photo cards now that I don't know what I'm gonna do with, but I bought them because I love them so much and I'm whipped for them and I'm giving them all my money. So what's new, right? What is new? Big head just take all my money. Yeah, so I have 24 now. Yay! But I wanted to show you guys some other things. There was the LG Studio, and at the merchandise area as well, and I got this postcard. I don't know if you guys can see it. They look so good, guys. Like, my friend and I went to LG Studio and we just like took pictures of all their paper cut. I've never felt so happy seeing a paper cut picture before, okay? And then here's the other one before my battery dies. Looks so nice. And then this was our army banner for day 3. It says, we'll only heart you for eternity. It's so cute. And then there's like Tata on them. Do you see that? But yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and hope you guys can get a hand on these mini photo cards. I think they're worth it. $10. That was the cheapest thing over there. So, but yeah, thank you. Bye.